In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate a weighted average in Google Sheets. Whether you're a student managing grades or a professional analyzing data, mastering this formula can help you make more informed decisions by accurately reflecting the importance of various data points. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a new or existing Google Sheet. This will be your workspace where the magic happens. Once you have your spreadsheet ready, locate cell B9, which will be our target cell for displaying the calculated weighted average. Simply click on cell B9 to select it. This is the cell where we'll enter our formula and where you'll see the result appear. Next, it's time to enter the formula itself. In cell B9, type the formula exactly as I guide you. Start with an equal sign, which tells Google Sheets that you are entering a formula. Then type average, weighted. Immediately after that, open a parenthesis. Now, you'll identify the ranges of cells that contain the data you want to factor into your weighted average. For our example, let's assume that the range of values are in cells B2 through B6, and their respective weights are in cells C2 through C6. So you'll type B2, B6, then a comma to separate the values from their weights, and finally C2, C6. Now, close your parenthesis. The formula should look like this. X average dot weighted B2, B6, C2, C6. Before we move on, let's pause to understand what's happening here. The range B2, B6 is where your data points reside, while C2, C6 contains the weights. The average weighted function calculates the average after adjusting each value according to its weight, offering you a more accurate measure that accounts for their relative importance. After you've double-checked your formula for any possible typos, it's time to see it in action. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you do, Google Sheets will compute the formula, and the weighted average will appear in cell B9. It's as simple as that. Before you go, a couple of quick tips. If you ever need to adjust the cell ranges or weights, you can simply modify the formula. Keep in mind, if your dataset is extensive, this method remains efficient and manageable, making it a versatile tool for anything from small projects to complex data analyses. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated a weighted average in Google Sheets. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity with Google tools. Until next time, happy calculating.